All right, we've got a 2002 Dodge Dakota Sport. It's got brand new tires on it, alloy wheels. It hadn't been detailed yet, but this thing is nice. Nice vehicle. Got little running boards on it. Interior's in great shape, clean. This is how it came in. Look at how they took care of it. They did a great job keeping their vehicle up. Nice and clean inside here. This needs a little spit and polish. It's going to look good. And here's the beauty of this vehicle. It has a 5.9 V8 in it. Magnum. This thing is a beast. In a little bitty truck like this, you're going to get great gas mileage because the engine's so big in it. Look at this thing. Shiny and clean. Look at that hood. Shining, baby. Look at this. Very clean. This vehicle is available at Approved Auto Outlet next to the flea market in Port Charlotte, Florida. Come on down. My name's Eric Dice. Ask for me. I'll be happy to sell it to you. Thank you and have a great day.